Let's see the goat. The goat. It's me. What's up with your eyes, dude?
Just kidding. Imagine. That's pretty dope.
Damn, this girl's stressed. Her eyes are always
One,
switching.
2, 3. We got it, girl. We got it.
My eyes switching.
Prosthetics, like you're doing your own weight to do that. That's not easy.
Are you crazy?
October or what? They're like back there outside of Donuts. Means that where it from. Yeah. They're really good. Bro, what if a rattlesnake just came out?
Really, a rattlesnake? Those are crickets.
Oh, those are good. He's here with Ariel. They're coming.
There's a whole bunch of them here. Good.
Yeah, that's what. We're
Sophie.
like in the main room.
Sophie,
So,
this way.
Good. I think that's it, bro.
Dang, Danny got two things.
Yeah.
all right, let's go. Come on, let's go back.
I'm looking in, bro. I think I'm good with this.
Look over there, right?